In case you've been wondering how to take care of chapped lips, wrinkly lips, dry mouth, dry lips, basically, I've got something very quick for you. Hey beauties, welcome back. If today is the first time of watching any of my videos, thank you so much for watching and welcome to my channel. If you're a regular, welcome back. So I have a quick tip for you today in case you've been wondering how to take care of chapped lips, wrinkly lips, dry mouth, dry lips. Basically, I've got something very quick for you. It's getting to winter period outside where I stay. In Europe, North America, everywhere it's really becoming very cold. I stay in the tropics, so I really do not have to worry about winter. But we also have like a dry season called Harmattan, and then everybody has dry mouth, dry lips, and what have you. In winter zones, of course, with the cold comes a lot of like dry lips, wrinkly lips, chapped lips, and many things like that. This tiny thing here would work wonders for you. It will help you, really. Trust me on this. I have this Medela nipple cream here. Mothers are used to these, and many women, basically females, grandmothers, aunties, sisters, cousins, know a lot about nipple cream. It's basically like a cream that helps a mother who just had a baby. So basically, if you're breastfeeding, sometimes it can become painful, it can become unbearable, and here comes this little good guy here to help you. And it is perfectly safe for mother and child. So I have the Medela brand here. I got this when I had my baby recently, last year, and I was given in the hospital. But basically, there are many brands around. For my first child, I used a different brand, and right now I am like using a lot of the Medela brand, but you can use any brand. Basically, it's not cast in stone. There's so many brands. Just go to the aisle section where they sell baby products and you get this. Anywhere you find diapers, you find wipes, you should get this. Just ask around. So this good guy is very good basically because it helps with chapped lips. So even if you don't have like your lip balm, sometimes I don't use lip balm, I skip lip balm. Like, see how far this has gone? I've almost exhausted it, and it's very good because why not? If it is safe enough to put on your body and for your baby to take it and ingest it, definitely it is very safe for your mouth. So even you can take it. I'm not saying you should just deliberately like just put it in your mouth, but definitely anything that goes on your mouth, you should know that it should. Sometimes you can ingest it mistakenly. If you can apply lipstick on your lips, why not this one? Because your baby basically like takes it if your baby is breastfeeding. So this nipple cream is very good for your lips. Anytime you're experiencing chapped, dry lips, just take a bit of this, just a bit, and dab on your lips, and that's it. And that's your lip balm. I find out that this works for me better than lip balm. I'd rather use this, and some lip balms kind of leave the white flaky thing like around the mouth, which I can't stand, which is very annoying to me. So I found out that when I started using the nipple cream, nothing of the sorts. Like, I can go out all day. If I don't want to wear makeup, just the way I am right now, I'm not wearing makeup, I'm not wearing anything, but definitely I want my lips to be moisturized. So this is what I use as lip moisturizer right now. It works a lot. I've not bought lip balm in a while. I just wanted to like pass this information to you that in case you're wondering how to take care of dry lips, chapped lips, I've got you sorted with this bad guy here. So, and it's not only for your chapped lips. Anywhere you're experiencing some form of dryness, it's very good. Like, I even use this for my son as well because he had very ashy feet. Underneath his feet were becoming dry and cracked. So if you have cracked feet, you can use this as well. It's just basically like a very good moisturizer for you. So this is my tip for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't keep this to yourself. Kindly share this video. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Kindly follow me on Instagram as well at @Adenoga. And I hope to see you in the next ones. Just stay beautiful, just stay fashionable, stay healthy. Bye.